Hello everyone. So today is actually a very exciting day. I received the battery management systems and I'm very excited to open them and see how they actually look like and where everything connects to. So let's get to it. Very nicely packaged with some bubble wrap on top and another piece of bubble wrap and lots of cables. We'll have to see. I'll have to check in the manual again. Cannot remember, but I'll keep that together because someone actually ordered with me. His name is Ryan and he's actually building currently a 5 kilowatt hour lithium ion storage, and he ordered a lithium ion BMS with me so that we can save a bit on the shipping because it's crazy expensive now, the express shipping. Here we have another set of that. Okay, this is probably for my two battery management systems. The first one was for his. I think this one is also mine. This one also. And then the good stuff. So whose will this be? How would I know that? I have 3 of them inside of here. Oh, they always let it fall out. Don't tell Ryan. He's going to kill me. Because he paid a lot for it. And there's another one. So we have 3 here. I don't know which is which. I guess we'll have to open one to see. Okay, let's take this. Firstly, which is very impressive to me, is the size of these cables. They are quite thick. 6 gauge. How am I going to check now which one is it? Aha, okay. So this one is mine. It's the lithium iron phosphate 16s 150 amp. 150 amp continuous discharge, 75 amp continuous charge with common port. I ordered this one with some other extra features which I might discuss in a future video. But yeah, this feels quite nice. It feels quite strong. Nice aluminium at the top and at the bottom for good heat dissipation. Inside, I don't know if you can see it from that angle, but inside there are, I think it's the MOSFETs sitting on this piece of aluminium to dissipate heat through this side, and I think on the other side as well. Yeah, we have the same going on this side. I like these little round plastic things that they put on. It's a nice, I think, signature logo thing of them, but anyway, they say it's quality checked, quality controlled, it passed. These lugs looks like they are actually, if I'm looking inside, looks like they're soldered on. I'm not sure, it feels like they're crimped on. It feels like they're crimped on these connectors. Okay, that's then on this side we're going to have our balance leads. Our balance leads are going to be here, main negative and main positive, so that should be 17 cables. 1, 2, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so that's correct. 17 cables for the 16s lithium iron phosphate BMS. Right, I'm looking forward to getting that installed on that battery, and I'll bring that video out hopefully. Okay, and then for Ryan, I'm just going to open up my own one of the two, the one that I almost slipped out. Right, I'll keep yours closed up like that. This is 120 amp lithium ion for 14S lithium ion system. This will then be 15 cables on this side, 15 cables here, also common port, which is more than sufficient for our system that we are running, because we can only put it on one of the batteries, and that means it will only carry partial load from the inverter charging the batteries, and the balancing will then pull through to the other packs. I might discuss that in a future video if there's requests on that. But yeah, also again, MOSFETs sitting there on this aluminium pieces to dissipate heat, but it looks like this thing will be able to carry that current. These connectors are quite solid, look very strong, nicely heat shrinked here, finish it off well. And there we have this one there, which I'm not going to install very soon. I'll be installing it on our lithium ion system on the farm, and I might also put on a video about that. Alright, thanks.